Welcome to Cheeseburgers of the World. We are back, and this time we're going down to Brazil. We're making the ex-tudo burger, which sounds like cheese. In Portuguese, they say cheese-tudo. So we're gonna make that burger, and we're gonna have fun doing it. Let's get to it. Okay, here we go. You know what? I'm just gonna toss some seasoning here. As you know, I don't use measuring spoons because I got it right here. That's all the measuring I need. Some cumin, some garlic powder. Gonna make for a flavorful burger. We wanna get, as always, our beef on soon so we can get everything else going. Let's get this one on. Throwing that on as a ball. Throwing this one on as a ball too, because I'm gonna smash them, but not a complete smash patty. So, ex-tudo is the way I pronounce it, which means cheese and everything in Portuguese. If you're out there and you're Portuguese and I made a mistake, you gotta hit me up, you gotta call me out. You gotta call me out. Let's get a smash on these. Oh yeah, beautiful smash. Now this isn't your typical smash burger, like smash burger's super thin. These are still a bit thick, almost like a tavern style burger. And then we're gonna toss some eggs in here, which is gonna be fun. I love an egg on my burger. It's like a breakfast sandwich. Oh yeah, and you definitely don't wanna crack that yolk. A nice, beautiful yolk. So it oozes out when you take that bite. Nice, messy burger. So the cheese-tudo burger originated in Porto Alegre in Brazil. So if you're ever down there and you have one of these burgers, at me, let me know what you think, because this is the first time I'm having one. A little salt on top of there, a little salt here. I'm gonna throw mustard on the burger, so when I flip it, this mustard is gonna caramelize and add so much more flavor there. This burger right here is a street food, and I love street food, all types of street food. My favorite street food probably is a taco or a hot dog. Hot dog stands around the world are incredible, and I love them. So those are my top burger or top street food eats. But burger, I've actually never had a street food burger. Never had a burger at a street stand. So I'm gonna have to explore that one of these days. So when you're doing this, you wanna make sure you get the crust up. You turn it, and nice, look how brown and dark that is. That's beautiful. And these eggs, almost finished. You want a nice crusty edge on there. Just flip it. There you go. There you go. All right, I'm gonna toss a chorizo on this as well. I'm gonna toss the chorizo and some bacon. So the chorizo will go here. Bacon on the grill. So let's talk about my beautiful knife. Isn't that beautiful? What makes a great knife? Since I'm so fast at chopping onions, I think I have the ability to give you some advice here. What makes a great knife? You want a good handle, something sturdy, like this one right here. Something sturdy, and you want a blade that's sharp. A dull blade leads to mistakes, and mistakes leads to injuries, and you don't want to have injuries in the kitchen. And you want a knife that looks good. Like, for me, this is sexy. That red handle, that black handle, the Damascus steel, this is sexy. I'm a chef, I call sexy different than what you might call it. We're gonna start plating this burger pretty soon. Got the bacon, we got the frites, and corn. Isn't that crazy? We're gonna put corn on this burger. I'm gonna toss it on the grill like that, for sure. And you don't need a toast on it. You want like more of a steam on your bun. And this is exactly what I'm doing. And so for my toppings here, mayonnaise, there we go. I'm gonna go heavy on the mayonnaise. A little mustard. See, I can dig this. There's no ketchup in this recipe. I can dig that. Ketchup does not deserve to be on the burger if you got a good burger. No ketchup, guys, no ketchup. I know some of you guys just got sad, but I'm sorry, it's just how it is. My top favorite toppings for burgers, well, I'm putting corn on a burger right now. That's a new one to me. Top 5, cheese. I do like egg, bacon, onion. I love onion on my burger. Oh, let's get in here. I don't know, man. I might have to add sausage because it sounds really nice to have a sausage on your burger. But corn is a bit tricky. Corn is a bit tricky. Tomato and caramelized onions. I love caramelized onions on all my burgers. Okay, look at this bacon. Look at that. This burger's coming out lively. There's a lot of ingredients here. Very heavy in on the ingredients. Don't want to miss any of them. Here we go. Here we go. Now, I'm gonna toss these sausages. Makes it a breakfast sandwich to me. But let's type this burger. I'm gonna put a nice knife in there. I'm gonna take a bite of this one though. Look at that burger, folks. Look at that burger. I don't know, man. This one looks pretty good. The corn's weird. Wow. Wow. That is good. Wow, that egg's crispy. You know what? Burgers are meant for self-interpretation. I think the meat of the matter here is the corn, the sausage, and the egg. There you have it. The Cheeseburger burger, also known as the X-Tutor burger. This is Cheeseburgers of the World. I'm Joe Friday. Join me next time while we continue our burger journey across the globe.